Hey guys, so Misty and I were here having a little conversation together. We were totally talking about heavy breathing. And we're thinking that maybe we should we're thinking that maybe we should make a video together and make sure that you guys know how important heavy breathing is to incorporate into your daily routine. Yep, she thinks so too. We're pretty passionate about it. See? I'll write in the benefits of heavy breathing, but there's so many. It makes you feel good for one. Oh, she wants out of here. Makes you feel good for one. Your oxygen, your fat cells actually need oxygen to burn fat. It helps with pain. It helps with so many other things. So I will write in the post all the benefits of heavy breathing, and I think that you really need to start incorporating heavy breathing into your daily routine.